Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rider World on Roblox. First, launch the game and customize your avatar. You'll then choose your initial bike from a selection of 3 options. Familiarize yourself with the simple controls. Use the W key or up arrow to accelerate, S or down arrow to brake, and D or left and right arrows to steer. Mastering these basic movements is crucial for success in your races. Once you're comfortable with the controls, dive into the exciting races. Each race you complete, whether you win or not, grants you valuable coins and experience. These coins are essential for buying faster, more powerful bikes from the shop. Remember to also invest in upgrades for your current bikes, enhancing their speed, acceleration, and handling to gain a competitive edge against other riders. Rider World offers more than just racing. It features a vast open world waiting to be explored. As you ride around, keep an eye out for hidden shortcuts, secret areas, and valuable collectibles. These items can provide temporary boosts or permanent upgrades. Don't forget to check for daily challenges and bonuses, which offer excellent opportunities to earn extra coins and exclusive items, making your journey even more rewarding. To truly excel in Rider World, consistent practice is key. Focus on perfecting your racing lines and anticipating turns to shave precious seconds off your times. Engaging with the game's vibrant community can also provide invaluable insights and opportunities to join special events. Experiment with various bike types, from nimble dirt bikes to powerful street racers, to discover which best suits your unique riding style and helps you dominate the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.